Hi there! Due to overwhelming demand for our mesh router radios, the team here at Doodle Labs has launched our Reseller program. Our long-range mesh network radios are used all over the world, from everything from off-grid communications, command and control, connected teams, robot controls, streaming video, data sharing, and many other things. Becoming an extension of our team brings with it a suite of products for a multitude of use cases. We work with everything from drones, robots, Department of Defense, public safety, mining, and many other industries. Being a Doodle Labs reseller also comes with benefits including discounted pricing based on your sales volumes, inbound leads being pushed to you, a direct connection with our stellar marketing team, opportunities to collaborate at events, and more. Doodle Labs is looking for established resellers and integrators that have the technical expertise to bring the best communication solutions to end users across the planet. If you're interested, please check out our reseller webpage and reach out to us.